Hello everyone. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. I'm back again with another a very important interview question that is equally important for freshers as well as experienced candidate. The question is, how much salary do you expect from this job? Now this is an important question because ultimately the money matters for everyone. Many times interviewees are very happy when they hear this question. Oh God, they're asking me about salary expectation. That means I'm hired. No, please don't fool yourself. You are still in the process of being hired. You are still not hired. They want to know your expectation because every company has a budget to allocate to salaries. So, this is one reason of asking this question. They want to check your confidence level. They want to check their paying capacity according to the budget allocated to the salaries. And now I'll tell you what all you don't have to say when you are asked this question. First and foremost is, please don't keep mum. What is your salary expectation? Candidate is smiling. No, please don't smile and then don't say, I don't know, whatever your company decides. This shows that you have not evaluated your worth according to the skills that you have. Now, this creates a very negative point on your part because if you are stepping into this job place, in this workplace, you must know what is your worth and what you should be paid. So, you must answer this question wisely. The most important thing that you have to remember is, you don't have to ask this question. You never have to ask the question related to salary. Let the interviewers ask you this question: what is your salary expectation, or how much do you deserve, you think you deserve, things like that. You can negotiate, but you should never start this question first. And you can negotiate only when you are given a permission to negotiate. Very politely you can ask them, if I am allowed to negotiate when they offer you something. Negotiation starts when the other party offers you something. So, if they are offering you something, then you can ask them very politely, sir, ma'am, am I allowed to negotiate? Then only you can proceed with this question. Second, the third and the most important part is, never ever quote a particular amount, that my salary package should be this and this lakh rupees, and the other company is going to pay me this. Don't ever bargain like this, and don't ever quote any figure. Now, the question arises, what exactly we should say in this particular question? First of all, you have to realize that you are selling your skills. So, you have to jot down your skills, whatever your unique selling skills are, you just have to jot it down on a piece of paper, your achievements. This will help you to negotiate better when asked in terms of salary. Money is important, but you have to remember that you have to focus on other things also, like the environment of the company, opportunities for growth, career advancement, learning environment, and other benefits. So, money is not the only thing you should focus, especially when you are a fresher. And you have to do a bit of research also to find out what is the industry going wage rate. Industry's going wage rate refers to what other similar industries are offering for the post that you are applying for. So, you will get to know what is the package other companies are offering. So, you have to do a bit of research for this. You can search on different websites that are available on the internet, like LinkedIn or Glassdoor. This will give you a better opportunity to negotiate with your potential employers. You must keep one thing in mind, that when you are negotiating about your salary package, you should see this workplace location also, because let us say you are offered a salary of rupees 25,000 in your hometown or any small town. It is comparable, or it is equivalent to the salary being offered in a big city. Let us say they are offering you 45,000 in a big city. it is equivalent to 25,000 what you are earning at home, because in big cities the cost of living is also high. So, when you are talking about the salary package, you must keep in mind where is your workplace. I will give you a few examples on how you have to answer this question. Let us say you are a fresher. So, you can say that I am trying my hands on this in this field, I am very passionate about this particular field, or I am interested in this field, and I know your company will compensate me well. But more than the money, I am focusing on the learning environment. I am interested in applying in your company because I know the learning environment is very good. And could you please tell me what all additional responsibilities I have to take other than the ones that are mentioned in my profile. So, this shows that you are interested in learning. You are the one who can be trusted to take initiative, you will be taking some responsibilities, and the employer will prefer you over other candidates. If your interviewer is very particular about figures and he is asking again and again to quote a particular amount, then you must quote a figure based on your research. You can say that I have almost 10 years of experience in so and so domain, and I have done a lot of research and I know that what other companies are paying. So, I think I need to be paid a package of around so and so. You have to give him a broad range, do not give him an exact amount, give them a range in which they can pay you. So, that gives you a scope for negotiation. When you will give them a range, they can negotiate in that range. And you must remember one very important thing is, you must never share your financial liabilities with them. Never ever say that I need to be paid this much because I will have to pay my home loan, or I have to pay my younger sister's college fees, or my parents are ailing with so and so disorder. They are least interested in whatever problems you have. They are only interested in your skills, in your timing, and what all you can contribute to make their company shine. So, they are least interested in your problems. Keep your problems to yourself. Negotiate on the basis of skills that you have. I think I have covered a lot of things, and out of these you can choose the best answer. You can design your own answer at the time of interview, whatever you think is the best answer at the moment. And I wish you happy learning. Keep practicing, stay safe, stay blessed, and happy learning.